Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on perimeter. Now the word perimeter is actually not used in this question, but this is basically what you'll have to do to be able to answer the question. So the key facts of the question, you're told you've got a cuboid, which is the shape here that you can see in the diagram. And you're told that the straws are 7.5 centimetres for the height, which is this distance here. So the vertical ones are 7.5. They're 11 centimetres for the length. So the distance along the bottom is 11 centimetres. And 8.5 centimetres for the width. So the distance back is 8.5 centimetres. You've got to work out the total length of the straws in the model. This is going to be worth 2 marks in the exam, and you need to write your answer in the box provided. So the key fact that you need to know to be able to answer this question is that you need to know what this word total means. So in this case, total means add together all the sides. So you need to add together all these different sides that you can see, all the straws that you can see. If you add them all together, then you need to write your answer in this box here. Press pause, have a go at working out all the answers added together, so all those numbers added up. Press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work, well done guys. So there are multiple ways in which you can add these numbers together, and it is what works for you. As long as you can get the right answer and you write it in the box, it doesn't matter which method you use as long as you get the right answer. So the one I've chosen to use is to first of all look at the height. So I know that this distance over here is 7.5, which means that this distance here is 7.5. And further back I've got another 7.5 and I've got another 7.5 here. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 7.5. So I'm going to do 7.5 times by 4. Now, if you prefer, you could do 7.5 plus 7.5 plus 7.5 plus 7.5. It will give you the same answer. But multiplying by 4 will give you the quicker way to get the answer. Now, to work out 7.5 by 4 in your head, the easiest way to do it is to do double and then double again. So we're going to double 7.5. So double 7 is 14. Double 0.5 is 1. 14 plus 1 gives me 15. So doubling 7.5 is 15. Now that's multiplying by 2. I now need to multiply by 2 again to get multiplied by 4. So double 15, double 10 is 20. Double 5 is 10. So 10 plus 20 is 30. So 7.5 times by 4 is 30. You can do it a written method if you prefer. So you can put the 4 underneath here, and then you can put the times, and then do 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28, plus the 2 gives you the 30. So it will give you exactly the same answer as what we've been looking at before. Remember, put your decimal point in after the 30 to make it 30. We're now going to do a similar thing for the length. So we know the length of the object is 11. So this distance is 11. The next one will be 11. The one at the back will be 11. And the one underneath will also be 11. So again, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 11. So that is 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, or 11 times by 4, because I've got 4 lots of them. And you should all know 11 times 4 is 44. Then I've got 8.5 for the width. So I'm going to do a similar thing on the width. So I've got an 8.5 plus an 8.5 plus an 8.5 plus an 8.5, or 8.5 times by 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8.5 times by 4 will give you the distance of these purple ones. So again, to multiply by 4, we're going to double it and double it again. So double 8 is 16, double 1 is 17. So I've now got to double 17. So double 15 we already know is 30. So we've got to double the 2 extra, which is 4. So it's going to give me 34. From here, I have got all the different lengths. So I've got the blue ones, I've got the yellow ones, and I've got the purple ones. So I need to find the total, which means add all these values together. So if you use this method, this will give you 1 mark. So we always start on the right hand side. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus the 4 gives me 10, because that's a number bond to 10. So the answer in the box to get the second mark is 108. Make sure you've written the answer in the box to get the full 2 marks for the question. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. As I said, this is a perimeter question. The question doesn't actually mention the word perimeter, but that is what you've done in order to be able to work out the answer. So well done, guys. The mark scheme on this question shows lots of different methods. Now the method I used was this first method here, multiplying each of the sides by 4, then adding them together. Or you could have just added up all the values, all the different sides together first, and then multiplied that answer by 4, which will give you the same. Or you could have just done it by adding all these values together. All of these answers are a valid method. Showing any of these methods will give you 1 mark. Getting the correct answer of 108 will give you the second mark. So 2M means 2 method marks, and it says 2 marks here. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.